Multiply 2 times a half times 2 and a half. Now, there's multiple ways that you can do this, but what I want to do is I want to turn all of these into some type of regular looking fraction or improper fraction. So, if you're looking at 2, that's a whole number, and you're like, well, how do I turn that into a fraction? You could turn any whole number into a fraction by putting it over 1. So 2 is the same as 2 over 1. 1/2 is already set, so I'm just going to drop that down. Now, this is a mixed number. How do I turn a mixed number into an improper fraction? Multiply the 2 that lives out in front to the denominator of 2, so 2 times 2 is 4. Add that to the numerator of 1, so 4 plus 1 is 5, and keep your old denominator of 2. Now we're going to multiply these three numbers together. So, when you multiply two fractions, you multiply the denominators and the numerators straight across the top and straight across the bottom. I'm going to multiply all three numerators. So 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 5 is 10, so the numerator becomes 10. 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, so this becomes 4. Now, if you look at that, you'll notice, well, I could simplify that. Those are both even, so I'm going to divide the numerator and the denominator by 2. And that fraction simplifies to 10 divided by 2 is 5, 4 divided by 2 is 2, 5 over 2. But here's the other thing. This is an improper fraction still. I need to turn it back into a mixed number. How do we do that? Well, find out how many times 2 goes into 5. 2 goes into 5 twice. 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now, with no more numbers to drop down, that 1 becomes your remainder. How do I take all this information and turn it into a mixed number? Well, the quotient of 2 is going to be the big number that lives out in front, the whole number. The remainder of 1 is your new numerator, and your old denominator of 2 stays your denominator of 2. So at the end of the day, we end up with 2.5. Now, if you were thinking smart about this and just looking left to right and saying, well, wait a minute, isn't 2 times a half 1? And so 1 times 2.5 is just 2.5. Yeah, but I just wanted to show you the whole process because why not? It's my video. I can do what I want.